Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink Monday and on Lawn Chatter. So this will be cool. So today we've got ourselves Big Game Energy Cotton Candy. Candy, yeah. There we go.
I hope it tastes as good as
I'm not sure. Is this actually bucked up energy? Oh, it is bucked up. They just changed the name.
Okay, cool.
Big Game Energy.
Interesting.
Okay, so that's an interesting name. Made in the USA. The important factoids: we got ourselves 0 calories. We got 1 carbohydrate in the entire can. Awesome. We got 25 milligrams of B6, 200 micrograms of B12, and then looking over, trying to see some caffeine content. We got 150 milligrams of caffeine in the entire can.
Really? That's a decent.
That's a decent amount.
Safe daily drink right there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Exactly.
Yeah, I forgot with that camera we got to work a little bit better.
Yeah, we got to.
You can't hear us.
Oh, I think you can hear it, just you can't see him. You can't
Bad
see.
quality.
Ah! Oh, there he is.
My hair. My hair.
Let's get a sip here. Smells like cotton candy.
What does it taste like cotton candy?
Oh wow! It gives you the texture of cotton candy.
Rinse it out of my coffee cup.
Wow, that's good. It will stick to your mouth like cotton candy.
Ooh,
literally.
So it's a kind of a heavy syrup.
It feels like it's heavy syrup. Yeah. If I remember correctly, these are supposed to be also made with scrapings from deer antler. It's how they get one of the vitamins.
I needed to know.
That's why it's bucked up energy.
I needed to know that.
Yep.
I'm not so sure we're drinking that. Oh yeah. It need to be colder, but
Oh yeah.
need best we could. Wow. Nice.
But see how it gets kind of sticky? Like it's actual cotton candy? Yeah.
I really don't like cotton candy, but that flavor, woo! I like it for an energy drink.
Yep. Hey, good.
Wow. Yeah, I needed that today. Very cool.
0 calories from what?
Cool.
That's fascinating how they made that.
And I believe I have 2 more.
Wow, that's cool.
Peachy one.
That's something else. Like that
Cool.
stuff. Tastes good. Also, can art on there. Very cool as
And it
well,
changes with
which is
flavor.
neat. Yeah, so that's pretty neat. So,
It is
anyways.
interesting that all these low to no calorie drinks all seem to have a very light to white can. Very interesting.
Interesting advertising
Rowdy
there, right?
was white can. Bang, white can. Rain was just off the map.
Yeah.
Everything.
The
Well,
newer
these nice-
rains that have the lower calories, but also got like the calorie burner
Yeah.
in them. Those are in more white, which is interesting.
So
Yeah.
what's the marketing scheme behind it?
Something. Yeah.
So there you go. That's your tidbit.
Yep. It's interesting
That's
stuff.
cool.
Yep. But that tasty. I like that. That's definitely not a super fan of the cotton candy.
$125 from Dollar Tree.
Oh wow, that's pretty good. Yeah. But yeah, definitely cotton candy. Not one of those ones I'd pick up every day and drink. But that is pretty good, and also the sensation, get the sticky.
Here, get a picture of that.
The what?
Stop parking anytime by the hydrant. And you got
Oh yeah, you're
everybody
poking by
parked
the hydrant there. Yeah, that's beautiful. Well, technically it's facing the other way, so I guess that's fine. Yeah, I don't know.
Geniuses.
Yeah, I should have got that. But anyways, that's good. I'd say SRT 392 for
to the top.
flavor content. Pretty good.
200 episodes.
Over 200 episodes. Yeah.
Wow. I was gonna say, we almost need you to do like a Ginger Billy intro of this. Now, what I got right here is my Tistler Cybertruck. Get it upsell a little bit more.
Upset it a little bit more. Okay. Alright, but that's going to be the energy drink segment of today's video. Very tasty. Make sure you hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you in a little bit while. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.